Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Python 3.14.2 on Mac. First of all, I am going to download Python 3.14.2 setup. Open web browser. I am using Safari web browser. You can use any web browser. Go to Google. Go to Google search bar. Type here, download Python. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Python. Click on download Python 3.14.2. Scroll down to end of page. Click on Download macOS installer. Click Allow. It is 74.8 megabits setup. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our Python setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Installer. Close Download. Welcome to the Python installer. Click Continue. Important information. Click Continue. Software license agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. This will take 196.7 megabits space on your computer. Click Install. Type here admin password. Click Install software. Now the Python installation is started. You will have to wait until finished the installation. Right-click on Update Shell command. Open with Terminal. Process completed. Close Terminal. Close this console. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the Python installer to the bin? In my case, I will keep this installer file. After Python installation, let us verify the Python version. Click on Terminal. Python 3 version. Press enter. As you can see, the current Python version 3.14.2. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.